Oldham Ramblers footpath clearance and maintenance team were out again today. When? Tuesday, the 15th of August 2023. Where? Working on footpaths FP93 Crompton, FP95 Royton and FP114 Oldham at Brishaw Farm, Heyside Cricket Club and Meadow Bank off Oldham Road, Shawside and Heyside. What? Clearing footpaths, waymarking and installing a lift bar, step over and lower bar stile at the start of footpath 93 Crompton. This footpath has not been seen or used for years, and hopefully this will bring the footpath back into use. We also wrecked and cleared footpaths FP95 Royton and FP114 Oldham, returning next week to repair wooden footbridge over the River Beal and improve existing stiles. Who? 9 volunteers out this week: Ken, Paul, Mike, Keith, Kevin, Martin, Bob, Tony and Neil. A big thank you to all the volunteers and thank you for watching. A big thank you to all the volunteers and thank you for watching.
Keep walking.